Welcome back to News.
Right, is it the end of that controversy? One doesn't know quite yet. To the impact now for CNN-IBN investigation, the Union Bank of India has threatened to freeze all accounts of Mumbai's Lilavati Hospital.
That's right. This after the Supreme Court issued notices to 4 trustees on Monday for charges of money laundering. CNN-IBN's Shumon Chakraborty was the first to report on the black money trail involving the Lilavati Hospital.
First came a PIL in the Supreme Court, then the raids by income tax, and now the Union Bank of India has threatened to freeze all accounts and operations of Mumbai's Lilavati Hospital. All these a direct impact of the CNN-IBN investigation that exposed in February how 4 trustees, Prabodh Kirtilal Mehta, Rashmi Kirtilal Mehta and their sons Chetan and Bhavin Mehta were siphoning funds from the Lilavati Hospital and were involved in large-scale money laundering. In this letter, Union Bank of India, the main bankers of the Lilavati Hospital, have asked all the trustees to give a fresh joint mandate to operate the bank account. Union Bank says that their move comes after Supreme Court has issued notices to the CBI, Income Tax and Enforcement Directorate on money laundering charges against Prabodh Kirtilal Mehta-led group. Supreme Court has also tagged the Lilavati case along with Hassan Ali's black money case. Union Bank says that the gravity of the allegations have forced them to act. Prashant Kishore Mehta is a permanent trustee. He alleges that his 2 uncles, Prabodh Kirtilal Mehta and Rashmi Kirtilal Mehta, have illegally taken over the operations in Lilavati.
These are very, very serious charges, and the bank has taken cognizance of the same and issued this letter in order to safeguard the funds of a public charitable trust and introduced a mechanism for joint signatories on both sides. So, we have complied with the directives of the bank and given our side of the joint signatories.
Chetan Mehta has now filed a petition in Mumbai's High Court against the Union Bank notice. Sources in the Finance Ministry have told CNN-IBN that the Union Bank move comes after the Reserve Bank of India started investigating how exactly convicted money launderers like Prabodh Kirtilal Mehta picked up major stakes in ING Vysya Bank and IndusInd Bank. The big question, though, is whether this move will end up jeopardizing operations at the 5-star Lilavati Hospital. In New Delhi, Shumon Chakraborty.
Right, we'll take a very short break here on